Well, terracotta.
Is that what that is?
Yep.
Good stuff. They should change that way here.
You think so?
Brain damage that was.
Don't understand.
Since you're right here, the cost factor is almost nothing. Is there anything wrong with it? Well, it's 50 years old, 70 years old. What do you think?
Yeah. It's this place was built up in the mid-60s, I believe.
There we go. Now
Our
we're
first connection.
changing right now.
Our schedule 30-34 6-inch.
Here it goes. Are you recording also?
Yes.
Live it? I mean, voice?
Yes.
Okay. Just dump it in there. It's funny, I've never seen one dump from the top like that.
We're here today with Inspector Bill from Lake Oswego, February 9th at Talesman Condominiums.
What's that 99.9% free? You have no idea, though.
I don't know.
Nice fitting. Is that 22.5? Going down. This is actually a tougher inspection than doing it visually because everything's seen here.
Yes, can't, no stories.
No hiding anything. You see it all.
And there's our clean out down below.
It's two-way. That's a one-way.
Going down for the deep dive.
He's pretty good at pushing that snake.
Yes, sir.
Going down.
118 feet. That's past our...
So now we're in the old stuff, huh?
Yes, sir. That concludes our inspection for Talesman Condominiums. Thank you.